world unsaid. Our education is a guiding light, and putting your faith in us, our price.
The ice in the permafrost helps maintain the structure of the soil.
Permafrost helps support many buildings and structures. You ever seen a tree fall over? No. When the permafrost melts, it creates sinkholes can develop.
Stuff falls over.
Correction. I meant to say when permafrost melts, sinkholes are developed. And that allows the water to drown the trees that are nearby.
Drowned. Winner.
This is the impact of thawing permafrost and soil instability.
Impact. Potential desertification. I think that's what that says. Even though the total amount of precipitation is projected to increase in the Arctic areas. I can't do this. Precipitation may come at points in the typical year. Shut up! When bushes and plants and things do not necessarily need it. Or it may come in extreme types of weather, such as tsunamis, Christmas. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Where those extreme types of weather where it. Thanks, Ian Ellis. And when it runs off into the rivers pretty fast. Also, as the air warms up, more water will evaporate and plants will lose some of this during transportation. We're filming! These types of things send the water back into the atmosphere. And therefore it is very likely that these certain areas will eventually dry out and become polar bear deserts. Just kidding. Exclude the bear. It's just polar deserts. Thank you.
Wait, okay. The winters are longer, but now they're shorter because it's hot out. And the more bark beetles. They get in the wood and then they stay and they're pests and they're bad. It's no bueno.
Is that it?
Kinda, yeah. We're done.
Okay.
Hello, it's me again. And as the temperature increases, these plant species, they move farther north so they can survive, and they invade areas that have been inhabited by the Arctic species. And many of these adaptations that they will make will allow the Arctic species to survive in this different weather as the climate and cold conditions change. For example, when the temperature gets above about 61 degrees Fahrenheit, which is approximately 16 plus degrees Celsius, these black and white spruce trees they don't grow as well, which, why not? They just don't. And if the temperature gets too warm, why do these have to have colors? Why not be just one race? Equality. These equality spruce trees, they might not grow at all.
The big spruce trees use their sap to kill off the beetles, but because they're having the long
winters, the sap isn't as strong, and the
Beetles live. Go get my head.